Begin by clicking the BaiBoard icon. At the Welcome screen, enter the board number as provided by your tutor. This can either be done using the iPad on-screen keyboard or by clicking the Recent Boards list to access a board that you've been to before. Enter any password if assigned by your tutor, and then click the Join or Retrieve button to access the BaiBoard. To exit the BaiBoard, click the icon in the top right-hand corner, and then Exit, followed by Yes. Click the text box icon, and then click anywhere on the screen. Now type your message. And click Done to minimize the iPad keyboard. To move the text box, click and hold while dragging the text box on screen. You can also edit the text box by selecting the Edit option. This brings back up the iPad keyboard where you can change font size, as well as edit the content of your text box. Again, click Done to minimize the iPad on-screen keyboard. As a note of caution, text boxes should only be edited by one user at a time. Multiple people editing the same text box may result in loss of information. You can write in BaiBoard using either your finger or a stylus. First, select the pen icon, and then begin to write on the BaiBoard. You can also change colors for the pen by clicking the color icon. You can also change the thickness of the pen by clicking the icon next to it. Here we demonstrate the various thicknesses available on the BaiBoard whiteboard. For improved legibility on the whiteboard, select a thinner pen and then zoom in using pinch to zoom. To delete a text box, first you must select it using the pointer and then click Delete. It must be noted that if you're zoomed in and you select a text box, that the Edit and Delete options are not available. Make sure you're zoomed out, and then click Delete. To delete handwritten text, there are multiple options. First, you can select the entire block of handwritten text using the pointer and then delete. Or you can select an individual component, delete it. Or you can use the eraser option to erase as you would with a pencil. To delete objects in BaiBoard, again, select the pointer tool, select the object, and then delete. You can also select multiple objects in deleting. Begin by being fully zoomed out. Using the selection tool, select the PDF and click Open. In our PDF document, we have a parking lot and learning issues list. To move the two items from our parking lot to the learning issues, first we select the hand icon, and then we'll select the content that we wish to move. We then hold down and drag the content to learning issues. If we wish to copy content from one page of the PDF to the next, we first select what we want to move, and then hold down for 2 seconds Release, and then choose Copy from the options list. We then move to the page of the PDF that we wish to go to, and then hold down for 2 seconds and select Paste. We can then move the newly pasted content as desired. Selecting the trash can icon in the PDF allows us to clear all annotations in the entire PDF document, clear the current page, or clear the currently selected content. To open an image inside the BaiBoard whiteboard, first click the image icon, then select Import Image, then Photo Album, go to your camera roll and select the image you wish to import. You can now move the image, resize the image, and to import it into a PDF, select the image, click and hold, and select Cut or Copy. Then, using the hand tool, select the PDF document and open it. Once inside the PDF document, click Hold for 2 seconds, release, and then click Paste. Your image should be imported, which you can now move and resize as desired. To export a BaiBoard whiteboard, first click on the export icon in the top right-hand corner. This gives you the option to save to photos, to email your BaiBoard whiteboard, or to export to Evernote, Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, or Dropbox. Here, we will select Dropbox, which will export your BaiBoard as a PNG file. To export a PDF document, first go to the page with the PDF. Using the hand tool, select the PDF and open it. Once inside the PDF, click the export icon in the top left-hand corner and select the desired export option. Here, we'll choose Dropbox that will send the PDF along with all annotations to your Dropbox account.